Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Ondo. Wanted to do a full update, so that's what we'll do in this video. We'll talk about the technicals, a little bit more zoomed out as well, right? So what are the possibilities here? We'll talk about trade opportunities, or at least the trade opportunities I'm looking at, and we'll talk about some fundamentals. All right, there's not to start off with the fundamentals. There's not much to talk about. You always want to talk about something related to BlackRock, of course. And if they're doing something, I still do think that they're using Ondo with their build fund, to actually invest in certain money markets, etc. But there's no real new news, all right? Which has been one of the main catalysts in Ondo's bullish momentum. So that's unfortunately, but Ondo, and I do think that's interesting to keep an eye on here, Ondo fundamentally is still doing good, right? If you look at the total value locked for Ondo has been relatively flat for a very long period of time. But what we saw since August the 23rd, when we actually saw some bullish momentum in the markets as well, is that the total value locked actually rallied all the way from 536 up to almost $600 million, which marks an all-time high. So at this point of time, we are at an all-time high in terms of total value locked on Ondo, or through Ondo, which is bullish. Have we seen that on the chart? No. The chart looks quite bearish here. And obviously the market is partially to blame for that. That's 100% true. But it's not looking great. All right, we had a massive support level right here at 65 cents. That's a good support level. That like historically that was pretty major. We dropped down below that, and we actually got a significant close below that. So right now, the most interesting setup I see on Ondo right here, because I think fundamentally Ondo is not doing bad, right? Fundamentally Ondo and the whole RWA narrative is quite strong. So what I'm still looking for most is long opportunities. So after getting this bearish breakout right here, for me the most interesting opportunity feels like the reclaim of 65 cents. I think if for some reason, because at this point of time, if we look at Ondo, I don't see any reason why we would do that. Sure, the fundamentals are great, but they are not in crypto that important. If you look at the momentum is not here. If you look at Bitcoin is at support. It's trying to bounce here, but it isn't bullish either. So do I think this is most likely? Do I think that this is going to happen? No. But I do think that if, for whatever reason, it does happen, so we actually do close back above 65 cents, I will buy Ondo. All right, so that's, in my opinion, that's the best trade opportunity. But I have to say that if you look at Ondo right now, it's basically being sold off since Saturday the 24th of August. So for the last week and 2 days, it has been sold off. And unless we break back above 65 cents, I expect that to continue. And because I don't think Bitcoin is bullish yet, and because I don't see any momentum from Ondo, I think it's most likely this will continue into at least the support level at 55 cents, with the risk of dropping all the way back down into 50 cents if Bitcoin remains weak. That's what I think is most likely. Would I trade this? No. If this is playing out, I would just stay sidelined. I would not trade Ondo. I would trade some other cryptos that are doing better. So yeah, that's what I think is most likely. I think there's a possibility to break back above 65 cents due to the fundamentals, but I'm not buying Ondo right now because of that. I will buy Ondo if we break that. So I'll keep you updated on that. I think that's what you need to know for now. Apart from that, 50 cents as a support level, as a buy area, I think is pretty good as well. But that's also something I'll keep you updated on if we actually drop down there. So that's what I think you need to know for now. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.